Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we're joining a walking salt shaker on a wild jungle trek.
Whoa! Watch out for that slippery banana peel, Mr. Salt. Is he dancing or just walking? Haha!
Uh-oh, that orange muscular character looks like he wants to race. Quick, kids, point at the screen to cheer our shaker on.
Wait, is that a giant wooden toast joining the party? Boing! Boing! Things are getting super silly now.
Look at them march in rhythm. Tap your hands on your knees with me. 1, 2, 1, 2. A friendly teapot. I bet he's serving up some jungle tea. Can you spot how many characters are in this village now?
You all did amazing today. Give yourselves a huge high five for finishing this wild puzzle adventure. See.
Welcome to the Super Mario Shadow Challenge. Toad, Mario, and Peach are ready for some puzzle-solving fun.
Whoa! Why does Danny DeVito look so nervous? Is he worried about the puzzle pieces?
Let's find the right silhouettes. Can you point to where Mario goes? He needs to jump into his spot.
Ready? Go!
Great job finding Luigi. He looks so tall and green in his shadow. Click, he fits perfectly.
I bet Princess Peach goes in this tiny corner. Wait, that's not right. Oops!
Not quite, silly. Peach has her beautiful crown. Let's look for the shape that matches her dress.
No! God, please, no!
Oh no! That piece definitely doesn't belong there. Try again, friends.
Yes, you nailed it! That shadow is a perfect match for Toad's round hat. Ting! Don't be sad if you miss one. Puzzles are all about trying until we get that sweet victory. Boom! We matched them all! Look at those fireworks go. You are officially a puzzle master today.
You did it! High fives all around. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome to the ultimate mystery puzzle party. Explorers! Are you ready to match some magic?
Whoa! Princess Peach is wearing a witch costume today. How spooky and cool is that? Uh-oh, a grumpy Goomba appeared. Boom!
Everything turned into shadows. Can you help us find the right pieces for our friends?
Ready? Go!
Let's go!
Look, Luigi is back. Click! Perfect match. Way to go.
Wait, does the Bowser shell go on the Goomba? No way, that's silly!
No! God! No! God, please! What? No!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are puzzle masters. That was amazing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time. Welcome, Puzzle Pals.
Hello.
Today, we are bringing a whole cast of superstars back to life.
Whoa! Why are they all gray? Did they turn into stone, host A?
Don't worry, it's just a splash of color missing. Our friend Palette is here to save the day.
3, 2, 1, go!
Princess Peach is looking royal and radiant again. Great work, Palette.
Is that spooky dry Bowser? I think he needs a little green and bone white touch-up.
Look at Donkey Kong go. He's getting his classic flash. Toad is popping back to his colorful self. Look at that bright red mushroom.
It's a me, Mario. He's finally sporting those iconic red overalls again.
And last but not least, Luigi is back in his signature green. What a masterpiece. Boom! Fireworks for everyone. You all did an amazing job helping us finish this puzzle. See you next time. Welcome to the Mushroom Kingdom. Explorers, Mario is popping out to say hello. Can you wave back?
Boy! Luigi joined the party. Two brothers are better than one, right?
Princess Peach is here too. Everyone, let's give a royal cheer for our favorite princess.
Wait, is that a Goomba? He looks a bit grumpy. Let's see if he wants to play.
Look, Bowser and Toad arrived. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heroes.
Whoa! Poof! Everything turned into shadows. Where did our friends go?
It is puzzle time. Can you help me drag Mario into his matching shadow silhouette? Perfectly. You found Luigi. Great job, Super Sleuth.
I bet Bowser is the hardest one to place. Oops! I meant the easiest. Watch me slide him in.
Yes! Fireworks everywhere! You solved it! Smash that subscribe button if you had fun today. Superstars! Whoa! Hold on to your hats, everyone! Something magical is exploding onto the screen right now! Look, it's Mario! And he's brought some colorful pencil friends to help us draw some fun today.
I bet the green one is the fastest artist. Let's see if he can keep up with Mario's jumps. Yes!
Watch closely as the pencils add a splash of color. Which outfit do you think Mario should pick first?
Yes!
Spinning and changing. It's like a rainbow fashion show for our favorite hero.
He's locked in that classic red style. Or is it blue? Wait, no, he looks great in everything.
Yes, we nailed it! Pop goes the fireworks celebration time team! Now the real challenge begins. Can you spot the right match for these Mario variants?
Oops! That X means it's a mismatch. Don't worry. Keep your eyes peeled for the perfect piece.
Ready? Go!
Bingo! That hat fits perfectly. Click, snap, and it's locked in place. Look at all that confetti! We've successfully completed the whole set. You guys are absolute pros. You did amazing today, Puzzle Masters. Don't forget to hit subscribe so we can play again soon. Welcome, Puzzle Masters! Get ready for a supercharged matching challenge today!
Whoa! Look at those colorful columns. Is that Mario and Princess Peach joining the party?
Oh no, their hats are gone! We need to help them find their matching headgear. Are you ready?
Ready? Go!
Wait, did that cat just start a guitar solo? That's hilarious! Keep your eyes on the hats, team.
Boing! Watch Mario jump on those platforms. Can you count the jumps with me? 1, 2, 3.
Toad is helping out too. He's so fast, he's like a little mushroom rock. Zoom!
None. Did you see that secret path? Our friends are really good at this puzzle game.
NANI?
Princess Peach is jumping perfectly. Point to the screen if you think she'll make it. Nice move. That was a super tricky jump, but they made it look so easy. Great teamwork. Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle champions! You all did amazing today! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. Welcome everyone! Today we have a super special puzzle challenge with Mario and his amazing power-ups!
Look at all these Marios. We've got the classic, the fire form, the ice form, and even the elephant.
Oh no! Bowser is here! He's turned our colorful heroes into sad gray silhouettes. How spooky!
Quick! Quick! Let's get those colors back before he sees us. Think we can fix this?
Let's start with the fire flower. Can you find the red one? Tap the screen right now. Whoosh! Fire Mario is back in action. See how he glows with that bright red heat? Now for the ice flower. It's blue and chilly. Let's snap it into place. Click!
Brrr! Ice Mario looks cool as a cucumber. You're doing a fantastic job solving these.
The elephant apple is the final piece. Give it a big tap to turn him into the mighty Elephant Mario. Boom! Fireworks everywhere. You saved the day, superstar. Thanks for playing. We'll see you next time. Hey everyone. Welcome to the Ultimate Mario and Luigi Puzzle Challenge. Are you ready to play?
Whoa! Look at those sparkles. We got the first match right. Ding ding!
Mystery alert. What do you think is hiding inside those question blocks, team?
Quick, pick the right hat before the timer hits 0. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's Bowser. He's causing trouble in the movie, but we can stop him with our super matching skills. Toad is here to help. Find the matching hat for him. Is it blue or yellow? You decide.
Kamek is flying in. Watch out. We need to finish this puzzle sequence to save the day.
Puzzle Explorers. Get ready to match, learn, and play with our favorite friends today.
Look, the Cocomelon family is here. Daddy is ready to rock out with his guitar. Strum, strum, strum.
Hello there. Wait a minute. Who is hiding behind those mystery silhouettes? Is that a superhero?
Aha! I bet it's Batman.
3,
Let's see if we can snap his head right onto that puzzle piece.
Go!
Click.
Great observation. Now, point your finger at the screen and help them put their shoes on. 1, 2, hop! You're doing amazing! Watch the cursor go. Tap that hammer and build something wonderful.
Ha! Look at all that confetti. We solved the puzzle perfectly, team.
Oh my God!
puzzles. Smash that subscribe button so we can play again soon.
Oh my God!
3, 2, 1, go!
The mystery continues. What emoji is hiding behind that question mark? Let's find out.
Nope.
We did it! Every piece is in its place and everyone is happy. You guys are puzzle masters. What a fantastic day! Thanks for playing, Super Solvers. See you in the next big adventure. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, our wooden hero faces a giant tree monster in the deep woods.
Hey, is that tree laughing? I bet he thinks our friend is just a tiny toothpick. Ha!
The tension is rising. Can you spot the wooden club? It's the key to this challenge. Magical impact. Our hero is swinging into action with super strength. Boom! Down goes the monster. You did it, team. Victory belongs to our wooden champion today.
That was legendary. You guys are total puzzle pros. See you in the next big adventure.
Hey everyone! Mario and Luigi are here to play a super fun shadow matching game. Are you ready to solve some puzzles?
Whoa, look at them fall. Toad, Mario, Diddy Kong, and Luigi are all popping up on screen. Can you name them all?
Uh-oh, the lights are going out. Their faces are turning into black silhouettes. Get ready, the clock is ticking down. 3, 2, 1, go!
I think Mario goes in that spot. Wait. Oh no, that's a big red X. That's definitely not the right fit, buddy.
King, you got it! Princess Peach fits perfectly into that shadow. She looks so royal and ready for adventure. Keep going, you're doing amazing! Let's find where Luigi hides. Is he behind the next shadow? Let's check.
Look, it's Donkey Kong. He's super strong. Can you point your finger at the screen and help us find his matching silhouette?
Bowser is here and he looks intense. We need to place him quickly before he stomps away. You can do it.
Mushroom Kingdom!
We did it! The final piece is in place and the puzzle is complete. You are a true master of shadows. Happy New Year, everyone! Look at those beautiful fireworks! You all played so well today. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Whoa, look who's here. It's Princess Peach, and she's brought some magical friends to the beach.
Wait, are those clones? Maybe she's getting ready for a fashion show, right?
That's right. It's time to style our favorite princess. Which outfit should we pick first?
I bet that blue dress is the fastest one. Let's click it. Click, click.
Actually, the sparkling royal gown looks much more elegant for a princess, don't you think? Amazing! Ooh, matching accessories! Can you spot the crown that matches the dress?
Good job!
Wow, now we're in the big city. Peach looks so stylish in her new outfit. Yes!
I'm going to pick the shiny shoes. Zoom, zoom, fashion time.
Boom! Pop! Look at those fireworks. We're gonna listen to the fashion stars. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready for a super fun matching challenge. Oh no, Cece and Cody lost their eyes. Let's help them find the right ones.
I think this square one fits perfectly. Wait, is that right?
Not quite, Cody. Let's try the round one instead. Click!
Nope.
Look at them dance on that watermelon. How silly!
There's a belly button on my belly, there's a belly button. Oh, I don't know how it got there, but I'm glad I got one. On my belly, there's a belly button.
Uh-oh, that's a big red X. Try a different shape, quick.
No.
You did it. Everything is coming together perfectly now.
A happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. A happy place. A happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. Oh my God!
Dancing at the beach with JJ and Nina? That looks like so much fun.
On my belly, there's a belly button. On my belly, there's a belly button. Oh, I don't know how it got there, but I'm glad I got one. On my belly, there's a belly button.
Boom, final piece is in place. You are a puzzle master.
A happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. A happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place.
Fantastic job today, superstars!
Have fun.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. See you next time! Welcome to the spooky forest puzzle party. Can you spot all our famous friends hiding near these glowing pumpkins?
Is that a giant pumpkin? No, wait, it's Donkey Kong. Boy!
Whoa, everyone just turned into mysterious shadows. It is time for a matching game, team.
3,
I think the shadow on the left is Bowser Jr., right?
Go!
Not quite silly. That is Princess Peach's silhouette. Let's find the match. Drag the Mario card right into his shadow shape. Click! Perfect fit! Great job! Now help me find Ludwig. Where is that spiky-haired turtle hiding?
I found him. He goes right there in the middle. Pop!
Only one more shadow left to fill. You are doing fantastic, Puzzle Masters!
Boom! We finished it! Look at those beautiful fireworks popping in the sky!
You are a total puzzle pro! Smash that subscribe button and come play with